Kesorkar Meghalaya kadon kajing temu ban penias no ia kasnong umyam hari boy district bat karata cera da kesurok folin. Ya kanila itu do sembun menteri rangba uba preston tensong uba longru menteri badai pe ya katanat PWD. Uba tensong oleh itu bakani kesurok na do umyam shado rata cera kan penias no bat katem surma jong kajela Asam. Oleh itu bakani kajing trei kelas dang bat kajing ya jong kakam kasuki na marbahakini kibenai ladon no uslap.
The issue which has to be taken care of by the district collector. So district collector is taking care of all this, but I'm just telling you of all, we wanted to complete this project as early as possible. So we really wanted to complete as early as possible, especially this 4-lane, because we have seen it the moment you cross Shirpi Bridge towards 7 Mile, towards Upper Shillong side. It's so unfortunate. Or people coming, the moment they reach Upper Shillong, the moment they reach 7 Mile, coming down to Shillong, it takes them to reach Shillong not less than 1.5 to 2 hours. So this is so important road, so important 4-lane road, so important project. I would request all concerned stakeholders, please work together with the government. Let us make sure that the 4-lane construction is completed at the earliest. Once that is done, I'm telling you, it is the blessing for the entire state. No, this one we are, these are all ongoing. And I just wanted to inform you that the national highway from Shillong, from Civil, starting from Civil up to Mahur Keneng has been handed over to NHIDCL. So they are going to repair it, one repairing. And number two, we want to convert from Barapani, that 4-lane, till the end of border Assam in Barapali. So now the survey work is still on. Survey work is on. This project is called Bharatmala. We are going to again convert these 2 lanes right from Barapani, right from Umyam, right from the ending point of 4 lanes. We will convert into 4 lanes from that ending point of Umyam up to the ending point of Meghalaya, which connects Ratachera. Construction work is on. Of course, these days I'm busy for the thing for the by-election. The progress of work is more or less crossed 10%. It has crossed 10%, so the work is on. But of course, due to rain and all, the construction company, they could not, of course, increase the pace of the progress. But I'm sure now winter starts, working season starts. I'm very sure the progress from now on, it will improve a lot. No, that has been done. That already done, already sorted out. Alignment has been finalized. According to the High Court order, we have already done it, and I'm happy to tell you now our engineers and then the NHIDCL, they have already worked out, and now the alignment has been finalized.